Ladies and gents, welcome back to The Random. It's your host, Smallwood Worldwide. We're back again with another video, and today we're going to do the unboxing and quick review of the Anker 3-in-1 Cube MagSafe charging. Now, you can pick this up in the Apple Store or at apple.com or from Anker directly for the nice price of 150 bucks. Now, for 150 bucks, what do you get? Let's take a look. You get 15 watts fast charging with MagSafe, all right? About 60-degree viewing angles, and it's small enough and well made for travel. Let's take a look here. As you can see, custom made for your Apple Watch. Got your AirPods Pro. Got your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's get to it, all right? So with that being said, this is a nice box too, ladies and gents. Let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Courtesy of our unboxing knife. We'll open it up. Get it open there. Let's go ahead and slide this out. See what we get inside. Take a look at that. Wow. Absolutely stunning. Let's take this. This looks pretty good. You see that right there? I like the way that it's made. When I tell you, first of all, USB-C. Got to be happy about that. Uh-oh. Ah, look at that. Little hideaway. All right. Little Batman action. Let's go ahead and move that out the way. Bend this up a bit. Wow. This is really nice, ladies and gents. You definitely are getting more bang for your buck with this one. Let's go ahead and take this down here. Let's take a look at what else is inside the box, all right? So we get here, open up, get to the actual charger. I love what I'm seeing. Guess what? Double USB-C. That's exactly what you want. Of course, let's get to the power brick. Anker legends in the game. Anker, whatever you call them. We're not going to complain. There you go. Look at that. Nice and gorgeous. I love that black design. See if we can get up in here real quick. Let's take this off camera. Make it work smooth. There we are. That's what happens when you don't have fingernails. But look. Very well made again. This is the charger. Now, more importantly, let's get all these boxes out the way. Let's see what we got here. Your regular books, quick start guides, things of that nature. Throw that to the side, throw it to the side. This is what we came to see, ladies and gents. First of all, take a look at that. This is well made, very nice surface. Let's go ahead. We might as well pluck this up here. We have the 15 Pro Max in the building, making a special appearance. As you can see, take a look at that. Look at it from the side as well. Let's look at it from the back. Look back at it, looks very nice. Let's go ahead and throw these AirPods up here. Very nice. And let's get this nice hideaway, right? I actually like the way that looks. Let's get the phone back up there. We're going to take off the Apple Watch Ultra. Let's toss it up here. Again, as you can see, it fits all the products. Very nice. It's very comfortable. If I had room to plug this in right now and showcase this, guess what? We'll get a chance to see it light up. And in fact, you know what, ladies and gents? I think we should do just that. We'll be right back. So ladies and gents, we're back. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Once again, this is the Anker 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. This is a beast, incredibly well made. We have it plugged in. Let's go ahead and show you what it can do. First, let's go through piece by piece. We'll start with the 15 Pro Max, get a taste of that standby mode. So we have that there. Let's take a look here. As you can see, standby mode comes on. You get your charging icon in the upper right corner. Look at it from the side. Look at it from the back, very nice. Now, standby mode is a new feature for iOS 17. It's very nice, as you can see. Let's go through the clock functionality. Look at that, look at that, look at that. This is very nice. Buttery, buttery smooth as always. You gotta love that. I mean, listen, what more can you ask for, right? Let's slide over. We're not gonna unlock it, We don't need to see no more pictures right now. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the clock. Different types of clocks you can get. Your little world clock view, which is very nice. Again, the thing that you notice is buttery smooth, customizable, and if you have a desk, if you have a nightstand, now you can see the value in having this piece. Now, let's also do this Batman hideaway here. Take a look, pull that out. Let's go ahead and throw on the Apple Watch Ultra. There we are. As you can see, now it's gonna charge. Very cool. While we're charging that, let's go ahead and turn this around. Let's take the AirPods here, throw them up there. There we are. AirPods Pro, now charging. If you take a look, you can see that nice light there. There we are. Doesn't do any adjustments on camera, but that works. And at the same time, as I said, you get a chance to throw this up here. Pretty smooth. Let's take off the watch. Let's take off the AirPods. Let's just sit it down here regular. Now, as you can see, standby mode appears to have gone away, which is fine. However, it's still juicing. I'm gonna just show you, bring that up here. As you can see, it is charging. Now, let's go back to this and take a look at it in standby mode, which is great. Actually, let's do a little better than that. Let's get a little action going here, right? One of the things that I think that's valuable about this is not only that it's well made, but if you're like me and, you know, you might be at work, you might be at home, there are some things you just want to be able to see without having to kind of sit your phone on an incline. So let's just go here for the safety of things, right? Now let's say I want to throw on that Takeoff Sports Talk. Guess what? Toss it up like that, and there we are. And look at it. There it is. You got your content just the way that you like. It's nice and comfortable. I believe this is the proper viewing angle it kind of comes at right there. So there we are. Again, up to 60 degrees. I love it. You love it. Ladies and gents, the Anker 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. Do you like this product? Do you own it? Do you think it's worth the while? I believe with the fast charging, again, this comes in handy. This is also great for travel. Like I said, where you're traveling on vacation, whether you are going to work, whether you're at your home in your own desk or whatever your setup is like, you cannot go wrong with this. And again, I'm very impressed by the design. The feel of it is very sleek and the rollout is buttery smooth. Ladies and gents, pick it up. We'll see you again sooner than you think on the next edition of The Random. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to the channel. And we'll see you then. Peace.